Well, Bob, it is going to feel great tomorrow from what you are telling us.
It's already feeling nice. I mean, people are commenting on Facebook right now and social media how great it is out there and how nice it is. So, yes, it's going to feel more like winter tomorrow as opposed to fall. Yeah, low 70s is typically our winter temperatures. So normally around 72 degrees are high on January and February. But this is going to be the first time we're already there that we've had temperatures in the 60s. You have to go all the way back to April 28th for the Sarasota. Yeah, so it's been a long time coming, and it's here. Here's a look at what's happening this weekend, and it's going to get a little warmer by then, but this is for the big Making Strides Against Breast Cancer Walk, which is always a well-attended event, and Nathan Benderson Park, that's where it is. Saturday, October 28th, the registration at 7, the walk is at 9. The forecast is calling for mostly cloudy skies. Now, there's a chance for a few showers in the morning, but most of the rain that we see over the weekend should be after this event is over. That's what we're hoping for. It will be a little bit breezy, though, on that end, too. So come on out and help raise some money for a wonderful cause. For that, well, speaking of Benderson, this is from Benderson Lake. These are sailboats, model sailboats, and it was a good day for that, at least in the afternoon. The skies cleared, the winds picked up. Barbara getting that one. Nice shot. Appreciate that. And this is a bigger bay. This is off the charts, according to Art Conforti. This particular image that you see right there, the Ringling Bridge. And then the perfect picture perfect, if you will. Norm Schimmel. Norm getting the high-level cirrus clouds as the sun was setting. Again, keep those photos coming to pics@mysuncoast.com. Well, Titan radar picture does indicate still a lot of rainfall down to our south and east, stretching along that cold front that continues to work its way to the south. Now, this will continue to move off toward the Bahamas and down into the Caribbean. And then there's a secondary one back here that will slide through our area right around sunrise. With it, maybe a few sprinkles, maybe a few clouds, but not a lot of rain anticipated with the secondary front, just because the air is so dry out ahead of the front. But not the case right now near Marco Island and south thereof, and along Alligator Alley. Some heavier showers and storms blowing up there, but we're not anticipating any significant rainfall here with the passage of that second front. As I mentioned, tomorrow right around sunrise, and that dry air, you see that push of it, will stay with us through Thursday. Thursday will be a cool day with highs in the low to mid 70s then as well. Our average high for this time of year right around 84 degrees, so it still stays relatively warm. Our average low is in the low to mid 60s, and we'll see that temperature tomorrow morning. 66 right now. The dew point temperature is what's so nice. It's at 60 degrees. As I said, you have to go back all the way to April 28th. That's when the temperature was at 69 degrees. It's the last time we were in the 60s here. Winds out of the north now at 5, and the pressure 29.96 inches on the pressure. And we'll expect that to continue to rise throughout the day tomorrow. 79 the high. That was a little bit below average. 74 was the low. Our average low is at 65. The record low 45 set back in 1923. We had over 2 inches to almost 4 inches of rainfall yesterday in places along the coast as a result of the cold front, but not that much going on tonight. Wednesday's hourly forecast calling for temperatures in the low 70s right on in through the afternoon. Now, there'll be a little bit of clouds to start the day off. As I mentioned, maybe a sprinkle or two, but all in all, should be relatively dry. Those winds will pick up out of the north and northwest. Small craft advisory is in effect and will stay in effect throughout the day tomorrow and continue more than likely into Thursday morning. Futurecast showing that front fades. The cold air stays around as that low pressure tracks off to the east, and we'll see clear skies right and in through Thursday and Friday. Well, down to our south, water temperature is still very warm throughout this region. There's an area of low pressure that appears to be developing, and it looks like it's going to move off to the north in time. The Hurricane Center gives it a 50-50 chance developing over the next 5 days. Not a big threat of becoming a big storm, but it could bring us some heavier showers and storms, especially on Saturday night and into Sunday morning. It doesn't appear that it's going to be too organized at this point, but it does bear watching, so we will watch that. Small craft advisory in effect. Winds will be out of the north at 15 to 20 knots. Seas will be running way up there, 4 to 6 feet. And the UV index will be high at an 11 tomorrow, and the water temperature at 80 degrees. Tides on your screen. The next low tide will be at 11:43, and sunset at 6:53. The forecast looks like this then. Expect a breezy conditions tomorrow, highs in the mid-70s. Thursday, staying cool, a very chilly start, low to mid-50s, and then we warm up, and a good chance for showers and storms, mainly late Saturday and into early Sunday. And another cold front cools down on Monday and Tuesday.